got a package in from B&H. Red light on. Am I recording? Yeah. All right. SmallRig 3383 lens adapter rings for your dreams. See if this works. All right, we got the little lens in here. No. Ah. Oh. Maybe. Maybe not. No. No, this doesn't even have, can't even put anything on this one. Huh. I was going nowhere fast. How about this one? No. Maybe. Oh, you can't put nothing on these. No wonder. Didn't even have a thread. No wonder it didn't work. That worked. Let's try these. What the? I'm supposed to do this. There's no thread. It's on the inside. There's no thread on the outside, but there is on the inside. All right. No. 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 Maybe these worked all along. No. 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 Okay, it doesn't work with this one, the Viltrox. Well, it's a 1.2, so you probably don't need a matte box at night for the 1.2. How about the SmallRig? That didn't work. Let's try this again. Okay. All right. Oh, there is a thread. Uh-oh. Maybe. Finally. Yes. See, this is what I say about a lot of these videos. You just see where everything is all, and then the ones that go, they snap and everything's already put together. It looks really nice, but yeah, so you go through little headaches trying to get this to work. Didn't work. Yeah. All right. That looks a little nicer. So out of 2, 4, out of 9, I only got them to work on one lens. Gotta figure out what, anyways, this is the Sony 11mm wide angle. I actually wanted it for this little guy here because this is like a 4, what is this, F4, I think? 3.5 to 5.6. So if I was going to use one this in the sun, it'd probably be this one. This 11mm is it's 1.8. So I could use this at night. Well, I'll probably use these out in the day too, I guess. But this is the one that I was mostly thinking of using out in the day because it's got the autofocus and it's 16 to 50mm. It's just it's the kit lens, but while I'm waiting on this, what is this, 2070 or something like that I ordered. But anyways, this thing made me sweat. Yeah, that looks a lot nicer. Look at that. Wow, look at that. So, little sun flap. I don't know, I just think it looks nice. I had to attach these little, I was trying to figure out how to get it to attach the camera body somehow while I was waiting on the adapters. But anyways, yeah, that looks pretty nice. Look at that. Dang it. Can't believe they didn't work. Well, this one we determined has no threads. So that went nowhere fast. Well, at least it's, I think it had a little protector. No, doesn't even have that. Can't even do that. Maybe over here? No, nothing at all. Dang it. That's the one I wanted it for. Let's try one more time. So I am seeing that some of these have a thread on the inside, like an inside thread and an outside thread. So I wonder, maybe there's some other adapter for that. You get these to fit in there. Oh, well, bust. Kind of a bust. Oh, whoops. Oh, check that out. That's gonna look even beefier. Beefier, is that a word? All right, let's take this off of here. Wow, just look at that. It just looks nice. It just looks nicer. Check it out. Wow. All right, we're done with that. Gotta figure this one out. I'll keep trying, but anyways, nope. Nope, didn't work. All right, that was that. Looks nice.